What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews and Healthy Wild Free. Today I'm reviewing the Baja Gold Salt Co. Ocean Mineral Soak. They have unscented and they have lavender and they have a variety of salts for, bathing salts. And what I like about these is when I first used them, my skin, I noticed, was soft and there were definitely benefits. And I will say though, however, there are downsides to this salt as well. So today I'm going to be reviewing these salts, what I like and dislike about them, and an alternative bath salt essentially that I've also used that is similar to these but quite a bit different in a few ways. So first things first, what's important to know is that these bath salts are basically a combination, and I'll read it to you from their label, is unrefined sea salt from Baja Gold, which by the way is a great brand. High quality sea salt, and then magnesium sulfate, which is just Epsom salt, which Epsom salt is really cheap, so that's kind of a downside there. And then the unscented obviously doesn't have anything added, and the lavender has, in this case, lavender essential oil. And any of their salts are just going to be an essential oil base. So let's share the pros and the cons of Baja Gold mineral salt. So unrefined sea salt, great. Magnesium sulfate, Epsom salt. The thing is I don't know the ratio of Epsom salt to magnesium salt in here, or excuse me, regular salt. So that's a little bit of a downside because Epsom salt is really cheap. You can go to the store and get a big thing of Epsom salt for a couple bucks. So if this is 50-50 Epsom salt and unrefined sea salt, it's not the best deal. But the sea salt is also very high quality. So it's kind of hard to gauge the value there. I think the reason they add the magnesium sulfate or Epsom salt, same thing, is because it adds added magnesium. Now, what I don't know, and what I wish I did know, is how much of the minerals in the salt is your body actually absorbing and how much is causing your skin to be soft. Because in my experience, I have utilized, there's this company called Omega Organics, and I'll put all these things in the description below, along with discount codes, by the way. Healthy Wild Free will save you 10% on this or that. But they make a magnesium bath flake. And it's like this, but you pour these bath flakes in the bath, and they give your body magnesium in the form of magnesium chloride, which is even more bioavailable than magnesium sulfate, and it causes your body to absorb this magnesium in a warm bath, and it's also very good for your skin. It makes your skin very soft. So while I like these, let's talk about the price. These are about 20 bucks a bag, and they are 2 pounds each. Now, I can get like 3.5 pounds of magnesium flakes from this company Omega Organics for less than half, of almost a half to a third of the cost of these, and they are organic and biodynamic. And biodynamic is even higher quality than organic. Organic has some pesticides and things, biodynamic has none. So while I do like these, and these are great, I've noticed just a great overall sense of relaxation and softer skin. Compared to something like Omega Organics magnesium bath flakes, which come in these containers, which are nice too, because another thing is these bags, when I go to pour them, sometimes they flop and the salt falls out, and that's happened multiple times now, unfortunately. And what I like about the Omega Organics bath flakes is with the Omega Organics bath flakes, first of all, it's a half to a third of the cost. It's magnesium chloride, which is more bioavailable, so your body absorbs this magnesium, which is really the big benefit to these, is your body absorbing the magnesium. Because the other minerals, I don't really know how much your body actually absorbs those. And then the magnesium also makes your skin soft, very soft. So while I like these bath salts, I think this company, their edible salts are better overall. Like, I would rather buy those than their bath salts, because I just think their bath salts with the mixture of the Epsom salt, it seems a little bit overpriced to me, 20 bucks for maybe, I don't know how much Epsom salt is in here, compared to, something that I could get from a company like Omega Organics, half as much. I get the magnesium, which is really what I want from this when I'm soaking in the bath for recovery of muscles. So if you have muscle fatigue, things like that, recovery, as well as soft skin, as well as soaking up magnesium in your body. Also, Omega Organics has rosemary, lavender, some of the same things that this company has, but other flavors or scents as well. So I really like Omega Organics, and I think that Baja Gold is great. And these are worth trying and having on hand. I guess the benefit with these is you have other minerals that your body can absorb. I think that's the main benefit. Whereas with the magnesium bath flakes, personally, I'd prefer those. Like if I was going to choose between those or these, I would just choose the Magnesium Bath Flakes from Omega Organics because you're getting more magnesium for a cheaper cost at a higher quality. And they come in tubs, which are easier to pour and they don't spill like these do. Where I think these are more valuable is it gives you slightly more minerals, right? So you get like the other minerals that salt contains. And then what I also like about these is I will throw these, believe it or not, I'll take some of this salt and throw it in with my whites in the laundry. And it doesn't even like tell me to do this on here. But I just thought, you know, I read this thing online that says add salt in, and I figured why not add a lavender salt into my laundry? And it's worked out really well. So Baja Gold, you could do that with Baja Gold as well. So anyways, I want you to know that you can get 10% off of these or 10% off of the Omega Organics Bath Flakes by clicking the links below and using the code HEALTHYWILDFREE. That's all one word, HEALTHYWILDFREE. You'll save 10%. And by the way, that code HEALTHYWILDFREE, whether you're buying from Baja Gold or Omega Organics, saves you 10% off every single time that you order for your entire life. So save that code and also subscribe to this channel for future updates and future videos. My name is David Benjamin. I'm a certified health and wellness coach, and I do health and wellness product reviews. And I created a page on my website at healthywildfree.com/shop. And that page has 30 different health and wellness brands that are top notch that I've personally vetted, and more than 20 of them have discount codes, free shipping, and special offers. So check out those links in the comment section. I'll pin the comment section with these links with the discount codes, and make sure to save those discount codes to save money whenever you order in the future. And then check out that link for other health and wellness vetted products. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.